welcome back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal. Hi guys!
Hi!
Yeah guys, so
and today we're gonna play the OB, and whoever finished this OB first gonna win a pack and a dummy.
Yeah, this is a new Among Us game.
I'm gonna have.
We're going to be skip some.
1, 2, 3, go!
How dare you go the first? How dare No, I get killed. No, I don't want to keep my pet. No, I have to win this. Okay guys, so this is the really new Among Us. I don't know why I died. This new Among Us game is really awesome. I hope you guys join and play this game too. Guys, waiting for me just one time, please, guys.
Nope.
Please.
I am at the back, you know. I don't want to lose my pack.
Same. Please waiting. Can we just?
I swear I'm gonna lose. I swear I'm gonna lose.
No, I'm the one have to lose because I'm the one back. Also, guys, we're going to be skip some because there's always a lot.
What is this, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Where are you guys right now?
I don't know. I got killed. Where? Which one?
Where are you guys?
Yeah, it's the pink one. Which one? The blue one. Which one? The blue one. Which one? Yeah, the yellow one. I follow everyone.
Oh wait, where's? Oh my god! I have to take.
Bye, everyone.
Where am I? Where are you guys?
I'm in the blue.
Oh my god!
The plus blue.
I see it.
Where are you then?
I am at the white right now, and I can't literally get over it. I am the
Yeah, so guys, we're going to be scared because this game is so
No, I died.
Hey guys, so now I am in the 70th stage and Stella in 60th stage and Leon, are you there? I mean Jessica, are you there? It's 19. Jessica, you can't give up. You have to do it. Okay, let's skip. Okay guys, so now I am in the 93 stage, and Jessica just get lost. She said she would never ever win the game, right, Jessica?
Yeah.
You give up, right? Yeah. Jessica, remember that you have to try a lot of OB to try to win me and Stella. You know what?
I'm always trying to win OB, but I could never.
Yeah.
I'm not throwing OB at all. I'm not throwing Roblox at all.
Yeah.
The winner is what the
Yeah, the winner. I don't know who is going to be the winner. Ouch. Oh my god. Stella, I am 100. Okay guys, so I win the game. Oh my god, everyone. I win the game. I can't believe I'm going to be paying myself to blue. Yeah. I want to pay myself to Today was lucky. It has a party too. Oh, hello Stella, I'm coming for you. Stella. Hello Stella. Do you see me? I'm the blue guy. Stella, hello Stella. Hello, Stella.
No, I died.
Stella.
She could never ever. God damn it.
Hello, Stella.
I just want to win my 40.
Hello, Stella. Stella, are you there? No, she didn't. I saw her still playing. Hello, Stella. I win the game.
Are you there?
Okay, so guys, right now we have to get going to Adopt Me, so skip. Okay, guys, now we are in Adopt Me. Okay, it's time to getting some pets.
I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna give you uncovered.
Yeah, I love it. I love them. The beaver! The thick beaver! Oh, the rat dude! Oh my god! Last one? I said 3. You have to give me anything. A bandicoot! No, you have to keep the bandicoot. Bandicoot is not in game. Take out the bandicoot and put another.
Oh, come on. No fair. Wait, I don't want to give myself one.
Then what? Then what? A chocolate dog was so shrill. They said destroy sim and balance it. Remember, scamming and billboard trading are bannable. Remember, all the trade can report a moderator. Don't report me, okay? I'm going to get banned. And you know I can report you too. Okay, Stella, your turn. You can give me food and a pet. Because tomorrow we are still playing the Tower of Hell. Oh, a spooky doobie doo.
I don't want to play any of these.
No. Keep the dinosaurs. Keep the dinosaurs. I already have that. Keep the dinosaurs. No. I love kitty. Okay, anything put out. Oh, look a little. I love the little. And last, a food. I love it. I already need some snow puma. Now finally I get a snow puma. Thank you.
Hey, get some pizza.
Pizza. Your house is a pizza shop, right? So I might get some pizza. Stella, talk something. Don't sad about the losing. Next time you will be win, okay? Don't worry. The snow woman is healing you. She said, don't cry. Everything will be bad. And laughing now. It will be fun. The snowman just... Yes, pizza. Pizza time. Wait, do you guys want to dance? A party? We can dance. Stella, come here to dance. Dance party. Yay! A dance big party. Yoo. I love Lanky Bar. Stella? Stella? Are you okay? You got stuck.
Just going to collect some gingerbread.
Oh, same. I'm gonna go with you. Okay, guys. So make sure you guys to subscribe and like the channel, please. And also the new channel name what? Stella?
Stella Gamer Girl.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like for Stella Gamer Girl. We're going to be having videos soon. I can die. I can't die. I can lie. No, we have to get going to the swimming.
Oh gosh, where are you at now?
I am in the skate to get some gingerbread. Okay guys, so I think that's our video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, and remember that our next video will be more fun than this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Stella Gamer Girl. So bye guys, say bye. Guy?
Bye.
Just stop? Yeah. So bye.
Not the